Hello fellow scratchers. Today we're gonna get at coding part 3 at the tile scrolling game. So we got some new costumes in here and the Steve sprite. And we got the mini head. And we might as well only backpack the mini head. And then go to your project and go to your episode 2 project where we left off, which is also on my account if you want, and then we can save as a copy, or if you visit this project then you can make it as a remix because you can't make a copy. Now this is gonna be the thumbnail. Okay, now you're ready, and now drag the mini head costume to Steve's sprite. Now you can see, and now but there's a thing that actually we need to switch to your head for you to see it bigger. That we can flip our head in every direction and face upside down while we walking right. That is a normal fix. You just gotta set rotation style to left right, and now run the project, and now it's fixed. But this thing, yeah, I don't know how to solve it, but it's quite cool. Okay, so now our coding begins in the Steve sprite. Now we're gonna switch costume to the If you watch Griff Patch, then you already know it. Join, and then Steve variable for sprite. Steve and head. That should do it. And we can try setting the Steve variable to the empty value. And in case if you want to make it go off screen, then make a new costume and name it big. And we switch costume to big. And then now we can try running the project. Now it looks still normal, but what if we set it to mini? That's why it happens. And there we go. Actually the head is so small. We need to set 2 by 2. That was short. Set it to around 6 by 6. That should do the trick. And now we can see that we have mini Steve. And if we want to make it forever, then put it in the forever loop. And now we are mini. Well, if we set to empty value, and pow! We just became bigger. Of course this is a short episode, but also make sure to rename it to episode 3. I just forgot to do that. And maybe there Maybe I can put the part 3 thumbnail over here, and then it's the end of the video. And remember to always scratch and no playing games, because that is bad. And scratch on. We're playing the tile scrolling game. Wait, what you do? While you're watching this video even more, you can just leave. This is just playing, okay? Bye.